Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to mute someone else's story on a WhatsApp application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the WhatsApp, and after that we just need to go into the updates. Okay, you can see here there is a lot of status that appear on my WhatsApp, and some of them I don't recognize. So you just need to choose we want to mute the status by go into these three small dots, and after that muted status you can check who already muted. But to mute the status, like the new status, you just need to go by click and hold this status, and after that just click mute, just confirm. Okay, you can do the same for every status that you want to mute. Just click and hold, click mute, confirm. Okay, let's find out the other one, okay, let's do another one, okay, I don't know who it says. Just click and mute, confirm, click mute, confirm. And after you're done, you can just check who that you mute by go click this three small dot and go into the mute. That's all the way how to mute a status on a WhatsApp application. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.